And right now the biggest tractor I have to mow with is my Kubota BX25 with a 5-foot deck on it. But before I get started, I'm gonna sharpen these blades. Now I'm only going to do these one at a time. There's no need taking them all off, and then I just don't like to work that way. So I'm just going to do one at a time here. Also, you really don't need to see how far the blade goes back here. Really, most of your cutting is done at about half this here, so you don't have to get too crazy with it. And there you go. I don't get real crazy by trying to make it like super sharp or anything. I mean, I'm not processing chickens with these, I'm just mowing grass. But the important thing that I like to focus on is like the first couple inches here, like 3 or 4 inches, because that's where all your mowing's done. So anyway, let's get this back on the deck and do the other two. Okay, I've got all 3 of them sharpened up. And I torqued that one on earlier, but I didn't film it because, you know, I forgot. So I like to torque these to 70 foot-pounds. That's what the spec is for riding mowers. Let me just make sure I got this guy set. There we go. And I kind of like to do the torquing all at the same time. That way I don't forget, because I do 3 of them all in a row. There. There you go. So there you go, that's 70 foot-pounds. Now, is this job perfect? No, this isn't a perfect job. Did we make progress? Yes. But there's one thing I wanted to point out. A lot of the stuff I do is not real safe, but I do wear these safety sunglasses. Not getting paid, I buy these myself, but I know the demographics on my channel, and it's us older guys, okay? I'm 62 years old, And what I like about these safety glasses is they've got bifocals on them. They've got little readers built into the bottoms of them. And believe me, it really comes in handy. Anyway, thanks for watching.